Well, we're not looking at increasing our sales, we're looking at downsizing. We can't sell what we can produce as it is. We're looking to drop the material, so drop the staff by 20%, drop our sales by 20%, and see if we can get through this storm. So what would happen again in this business if we reduced the turnover and the staff by 20%? We go from 50,000 profit to minus 30. We've lost £80,000 from where we were originally. That's a serious situation. I do remember my dad telling me after one of the recessions when I was a kid that 80% of the companies that downsized regretted it. This may be a little controversial, but in my opinion, in a recession, that's exactly the time you want to increase your staff. And this next slide explains why. So we've gone at the moment from 100,000 turnover to 800,000. We've dropped the staff by 20%, materials gone down 20%, wages gone down 20%, but we've lost 80,000 quid. If we were to increase our staff by 20%, then our profit goes up £80,000. Now obviously that's assuming that these extra 2 staff don't need another £100,000 machine each to be able to work. This is perhaps a joinery shop that's got a spare bench, or perhaps a printer that's got some machines that aren't being used. As long as it doesn't incur an enormous cost of increasing capital, then this is what you would do. And the question is, now that we've gone to a turnover of 1.2 million from 800,000, but our profit has gone from minus 80 to 80. How many of us do you think, if I offered anybody here a cheque of £160,000, if they could bring me in £400,000 of the business? That's the difference, because we've got unused capacity. And the first thing I would say to any company is you've got to sell all your capacity, even if it means giving away your excess capacity